In today's video, I am going to teach you how to start a Shopify trial. To begin, open your web browser and go to shopify.com. Make sure you are on the official Shopify site before you enter any information. Once the page loads, you will see an option to start a free trial right on the homepage. Find the field where you can enter your email address. Type in the email address you want associated with the store, then click the button that says Start Free Trial. This begins the sign-up process and takes you into the account creation screen. Next, create your account. Follow the prompts on the screen to set up your login details, including a secure password. Use something strong and unique that you can remember, and store it safely. This account is what you will use to sign in and manage your store later, so take your time to enter everything correctly. After your account is created, you will move into Setup and Plan options. When you see billing cycle choices, select the monthly billing cycle. In many cases, promotional pricing is tied to monthly billing, but keep in mind you can skip selecting a paid plan if the screen allows it during the trial setup. The goal here is simply to get the trial started and your store created, not to lock in anything you are not ready for. Now you will set up your store. When Shopify asks about your store type or where you plan to sell, choose Online Store. This option is the standard choice for launching a website where customers can browse products and place orders. Then create your store name. Pick a name that represents your brand and is easy to read and spell. Shopify may check whether the name is available for your store address, so if your first choice is taken, try a small variation that still fits your business. Once you enter the name and continue, Shopify will generate your store and bring you into the admin dashboard. At this point, your Shopify trial is active and your online store is created. You can now start exploring your dashboard, but the core trial setup is complete, and that is all there is to it.